You're watching Data Science with PK, where we make Python and data science simple for everyone. Welcome to this class on Python lists. Lists are one of the most important and commonly used data structures in Python. In this video, we'll learn how to create lists, how to access and modify their elements, and understand their key characteristics. Finally, we'll look at a few real-world examples where lists are used in day-to-day coding. Let's begin with how to create lists in Python. A list is created by placing items inside square brackets, separated by commas. You can create a list of names, numbers, or even a mix of both. Here, we created a list called names that holds 3 string values. When we print the list, Python displays all elements inside square brackets. And when we check its type, Python confirms it's a list. Lists can also store numbers. You don't need quotes for numeric values. Just write the digits directly. Python even allows lists with mixed data types, numbers, strings, or floats together. This flexibility makes lists very powerful. You can also create lists inside another list that's called a nested list. As you can see, one of the elements here is itself another list. This is completely valid in Python. And if you ever need an empty list, just use empty square brackets. This creates an empty list, which you can later fill with items dynamically. Now, let's see how to access the elements in a list. Each item in a list has an index number. Indexing in Python starts at 0, and we can also use negative indexing to access elements from the end. So names 0 gives the first element, and names -1 gives the last one. You can also use multiple indexes to access nested elements. Lists are mutable, which means you can change their content after creation. For example, you can update an existing value or add new ones. As you can see, the first element changed from John to Johnny, and Rob got added to the end of the list using append. Lists also keep the order in which items were inserted and allow duplicates. Here, the name Andy appears twice, and that's perfectly fine in a list. Now let's look at a simple real-world example, using a list to store items in a shopping cart. We first added an item using append, and removed one using remove. Lists are perfect for such use cases because they're mutable and ordered. You can easily keep track of items as a user adds or removes products. Let's quickly summarize what we've learned about Python lists. Lists are mutable, meaning you can change their elements anytime. Lists are ordered, so they preserve the sequence of items. Lists allow duplicates, which means you can have repeated values. Lists can hold different data types, even another list inside them. And finally, they are perfect for storing collections of related items, like a shopping cart or a list of student names. So, that's all about Python lists. You've learned how to create, access, and modify lists, and also how they're used in real-life applications like shopping carts. In the next video, we'll learn about tuples, another important data structure in Python that's similar to lists but immutable. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Data Science with PK for more easy-to-understand Python and data science tutorials.